It's a cold, bitter night, and my soul's lost its way. Your memory's a dagger, cutting deep through the haze. You walked out that door, left my heart in the dust. Now I'm chasing your shadow, but it's betrayal I trust. I gave you my dreams, every spark in my veins, built a world for us both. Now it's drowned in the rain. Your laughter still haunts me like a ghost in the dark. Every whisper of you tears my world apart. Tears keep falling, they're ripping me through. Love's a cruel fire, burning all that I knew. You're gone and I'm breaking, my heart's bleeding dry. Tears keep falling, and I'm screaming out why. I see you in the moonlight, dancing free in my mind. But your love was a phantom, left me lonely and blind. I'd have walked through the flames just to hold you once more, but your promises crumble, scattered lies on the shore. The mirror don't lie, shows a man torn in two, with a heart full of echoes, still calling for you. I wander these streets where our love used to shine. Now it's ashes and ruin, and this pain's all that's mine. Tears keep falling, they're ripping me through. Love's a cruel fire, burning all that I knew. You're gone and I'm breaking, my heart's bleeding dry. Tears keep falling, and I'm screaming out why. Oh, I tried to hold tight, but you slipped through my soul like a river of stardust. You left me so cold. I'm calling your name, but it's lost in the storm. This heartache's a hurricane, and my spirit's been torn. I stood by your side through the thunder and rain, gave my all to your heart, but you threw it away. Now the night stretched forever, and the dawn don't bring peace. I'm a prisoner of love with no hope of release. Tears keep falling, they're ripping me through. Love's a cruel fire, burning all that I knew. You're gone and I'm breaking, my heart's bleeding dry. Tears keep falling, and I'm screaming. they're ripping me through. Love's a cruel fire, burning all that I knew. You're gone and I'm breaking, my heart's bleeding dry. Tears keep falling, and I'm screaming out, why? So I roam through the shadows with this ache in my chest, clinging to memories where my heart once found rest. These tears keep on falling like a river